What's up guys, Dave here, back with another episode of Tech Unveiled, and today we're taking a look at the Honor Watch GS Pro. What are we gonna do? You know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. We're gonna get this box popped open, explore all the contents, and take a look at this new watch. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, and let's go. Alright guys, let's get this box popped. Come on. Bang! There it is. Check this out guys. Pretty nice. Let's go a little bit further inside. So this thing is super rugged. It is built to withstand the toughest environments. I'm gonna go through all the specs here in a minute, but let's first finish going through the box. We got the charger, little A to C action. I like to see that. Looks like our charger puck there. Man, they don't make this stuff easy, do they? Can't get this stuff out. There we go. So we got our manuals, warranty card, and that's it. That's what we got. All right guys, so this thing has a 25-day battery life. For me, that's always been the big thing when it comes to smartwatches is they gotta last. Now I do charge my watch every single night, but it would be nice to not have to. It would be nice to be able to make it 25 days. That's almost a whole month. That would be super nice. What else has this thing got? This thing's got useful outdoor information, including sunrise and sunset times, moon and tidal phases, bad weather alerts. It's got a skiing coach. Crazy, I've never even seen snow. It's got 100 different workout modes so you can let it know what you're doing, and a slew of things to track your health. It's got a heart rate monitor, a sleep monitor. You can also store up to 500 songs on this watch. I mean, it does a lot of stuff. Also comes in 3 different colors. Charcoal black. This is marl white. That's what you're looking at here. And they also got a camo blue, which looks pretty dope. Again, you got 25 hours of battery life, has GPS, a 1.39 inch display, it's 454 by 454 aspect ratio. So yeah, let me take this watch off. Let's try this one on for size. The first thing I notice is the band itself is super soft, which is kind of important. You know, you want that to be comfortable. Nice. Check that out, guys. Let's go ahead and power it up. Let's get the Huawei Health app on my phone here. There we go. And we're pairing up, guys. Pair. All right, guys, so we are paired up. This is what the actual app looks like. We can go here to health monitor. I got my sleep tracker enabled. Heart monitor is enabled. I like the activity reminder. I sit a lot at work. I like when my watch vibrates, tells me to stand up, walk around. I think that's super important. Keep the blood moving. Stress test. Let's turn that sucker on. Attach the band firmly. So question 1, I have nothing to look forward to. I strongly disagree. When there's a problem, I can always look on the bright side. I do agree with that. Sometimes I get the shakes, such as a hand tremor. Doesn't happen to me. I get very irritated easily. Okay, I agree with that statement. I can do things just as well as other people. I agree. I feel that my heart rate is abnormal, too fast or too slow. I disagree with that. I think that hardships have made me stronger. I agree. I don't see the meaning of life. I strongly disagree. I can't stand being interrupted while I'm working. I strongly agree. I feel happy with myself overall. I agree. Sometimes I feel like I am useless. I strongly disagree. I can achieve my goals even though there are obstacles. Absolutely. Submit. My current stress level is a 42, it says. Stress level is normal. That's a good thing to know. All right, so what else we got in this app? So we got health monitor, so I can transfer music from within this app to the watch. Don't need to do that right now. Weather reports, we're good there. Set up alarms, I'm not gonna do that right now. Let's see if there's any updates. We're on the latest update. All right, so let's check out the watch here. So this is the face that it came with. Let's see if there's anything else cool in here. I think I like this one. So we got a couple of different faces in here. Let's see if we could check out some other ones. We got some random cool stuff. So we had a couple of different faces. This one will show you your steps and whatnot. Let's swipe down. That's gonna bring us into our settings. I wanna see if there's a always on watch face. Doesn't look like there's an always on, so you can change it for a specific amount of time. Let's leave it on auto. Maybe when I raise it up, it'll turn the screen on. So we could hook up earbuds to it, so if you're outside and you're running, get your Bluetooth earbuds hooked up to it so you can listen to music and whatnot, or sound, so you can adjust the volume that the watch makes. We got vibration strength. You can go into do not disturb mode. You could set up the button down here at the bottom to do specific actions, so you can get it to take your heart rate if you want. When I hit this bottom button here, guys, it starts to take my heart rate, 93, and then you can do your workout settings, so you can have it auto detect your workout. You got system, so you can turn the watch off, disconnect it, reset it, so you can pair it to another phone. What I gotta say is, though, I've been wearing this a few minutes. It is super comfortable. I actually really like this material, this rubber that they used. Again, some of these watch straps that I've tried in the past are no bueno. They're always pulling on my skin, ripping out my arm hairs. I definitely like the way the comfort level is on this watch. Anyways, guys, that is what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Peace. I'll talk to you in the next one.